So over here in this particular image, you can see that I have a bunch of colors. But let's say what I want to do is I want to find out like how much amount of colors, like how much amount of red, green, and blue is there in this particular image. In that case, what you can simply do is you can go around onto window right here and then access out the histogram right here. And you can also click right here. So you can see that this is what you have, and these are the red, green, and blue colors that you have right here. So now once you go around and see that this is the darker areas right here in your image, where you can see that certain range of colors are there, and these are the brighter range of the colors right here. If I were to go around onto red, then you can see that the amount of red is distributed like this. So there are bright reds right here, not so much of dark reds as you can see right here, but quite a bit of mid-tone red right there. Similarly, there's green as well, so not much of green on the lower end, but more green on the brighter side right here. For the blue, you can see that not much on the brighter side or the darker side, but you can see that that is what you have. And if I were to go to colors right here, then you can see the amount right here. So there's low amount of darker red, green, and blue, and high amount of green and red, but the blue is spread out in between right here, just like this. And that is how you can go ahead and understand the color distribution that is there in the particular image that you have inside of Photopea. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.